Are you ready for the Money Talks Mini Series where you get the big lessons broken down in just a few minutes? Well, perfect. You came across the right series because in every episode, we're going to pull back the curtain most people never see coming. The small habits, the sneaky business tricks, and the financial systems determine whether you're broke or build wealth. Because the truth is, no one hands you the playbook. You're told to work hard, get paid, and spend what you earn. But behind the scenes, companies, banks, and everyday cultures are designed to keep you stuck. And then the cost of not knowing is massive. People lose years, sometimes decades, repeating the same cycle. And they repeat the same cycle because no one has ever showed them a different way. And this isn't theory, this is real life. You'll see why lottery ticket winners lose everything, how fast food chains raise prices without you even realizing it, the real reason why the rich keep getting richer while everyone else stays poor. And honestly, that's not all. There's many more. Money is always moving, whether it's working for you or against you. My job is to help you recognize the difference so that you can flip the script and actually make money work for you. The goal is simple, to shift the way that you see money, and also to give you tools, a perspective, and a blueprint to start building wealth from scratch. Wealth isn't built in one big leap. It's built step by step, brick by brick. And with the right foundation and discipline, you can do it. So if you're ready for quick, powerful financial insights that don't just teach you about money, but shift the way you see it, subscribe now and let's dig into it.